If you can correctly complete all the exercises, it means you've mastered the present continuous negative. How many points will you get? Exercise 1. Correct answer, A. I am not working today. Exercise 2. Correct answer, C. She is not watching TV. Exercise 3. Correct answer, D. They are not playing tennis now. Exercise 4. Correct answer, C. We are not cooking dinner. Exercise 5. Correct answer, A. He is not writing an email. Exercise 6. Correct answer, B. You are not listening carefully. Exercise 7. Correct answer, A. It is not raining now. Exercise 8. Correct answer, B. I am not reading at the moment. Exercise 9. Correct answer, C. He is not sleeping well. Exercise 10. Correct answer, D. They are not studying together. Exercise 11. Correct answer, B. We are not traveling today. Exercise 12. Correct answer, A. She is not writing in her notebook. Exercise 13. Correct answer, D. I am not watching the match now. Exercise 14. Correct answer, C. You are not walking to school. Exercise 15. Correct answer, A. He is not studying math. Exercise 16. Correct answer, B. It is not working properly. Exercise 17. Correct answer, A. They are not playing outside. Exercise 18. Correct answer, C. I am not preparing dinner. Exercise 19. Correct answer, D. She is not going to school today. Exercise 20. Correct answer, C. We are not waiting for the bus. Exercise 21. Correct answer, B. He is not jogging this morning. Exercise 22. Correct answer, A. You are not painting the wall. Exercise 23. Correct answer, C. It is not snowing right now. Exercise 24. Correct answer, D. I am not talking to her. Exercise 25. Correct answer, B. They are not visiting us. Exercise 26. Correct answer, A. She is not dancing now. Exercise 27. Correct answer, A. We are not shopping today. Exercise 28. Correct answer, B. You are not swimming in the pool. Exercise 29. Correct answer, C. He is not eating dinner. Exercise 30. Correct answer, A. I am not using my phone. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to post your score in the comments below.